Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading for that long, but I'm going to be playing this amazing game called Epic Minigames, you guys. See it right here, right now. It's true. It's not false, but it's true, okay? Currently, I'm just waiting for my bro-tastic bro.
Roblox needs an upgrade.
And I'm gonna be waiting for him, and I'm gonna be joining him. Just gonna wait now. Okay, we're still waiting. Oh, it's little shark. How cute. How are you gonna kill him? Let's see what else we have in store. Okay, just the title, and then look. See all these? Look. You have two to look at now. So you see. And those are all the mini games. Well, not all of them, but that's some of them. Like this is Gravity Bounce, this is Shark Attack. Yeah. And just go like and favorite it. It's a really good game. I really suppose you check it out. Okay, so my bro-tastic bro should be in here right now. Okay. Just gonna wait. We're just gonna allow him, and we should be getting in. And boom, just upgraded it. We should be going in now. Oh, okay, it's gonna have the little lag attack now. Sorry about this, people. Really hope you could just sit down, relax, get Chipotle, just wait for this to take its dear old time. I hope in the comment section below you tell me what we should do next.
Have I been muted this entire time?
Yeah, I don't think you've been in the chat really.
So, guys, if you don't know, I have been in previous episodes, but that I was only a voice in the background, sort of.
Okay, guys. Oh no, it's full. I think you're gonna have to go into a different server, Kale.
Oh damn.
That was just like really bad timing right there.
Server.
Okay, I'm joining a server now. Just refresh and you should see me in friends. Just refresh. Okay. What the hell? You gotta be bloody kidding me.
Well, you chose such good games that, of course all the servers gonna be full. Here, I'll try and find us a server.
I'm really good at finding servers. Guys, help us spot servers.
Guys, if you hit the like button, maybe we will find a server.
Have you found one yet?
No.
They're all 12s currently.
Yeah, that's because.
And I'm gonna change it to the lowest time. I don't think you can do that. You're not in a server, so it's lying. Oh man, it's really taking its dear time here. Sorry about this little hold up, guys. Maybe just try and join a server. Ooh, I'm getting to the 11s now, Kale.
Here, if you find a 10.
I'll see if I can find a 9. Because then that nearly guarantees we'll get in. But if I find a 10,
you going in?
Yeah. Oh man. Ooh-wee, Rick.
See, since we've hit 11s, that means someone hit the like button.
Yes. Like button.
Maybe we should have figured out the servers before we started the video.
It's okay.
Be warned, this might just turn out to be scrolling through servers.
I'm giving up. I'm just joining a server, okay?
Okay.
I promise you, you will get gameplay. You will. You will acquire the gameplay that you deserve. 11. We just found one with 11. First one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. As you guys can see. No! Oh, okay, careful. Okay. So, as you guys can see, I'm level 12. Let's turn down that sound right there. I'm level 12 with 135 wins. Do that. So, currently, lighthouse. Yeah, there's a house over there. Oh no, you have like 3 or 4 seconds, and you've got to get in. There's only a limiter. We'll just go wait. 2, 1. Get in. Yeah, go in. Okay, just smush him. Guys, you're not gonna die, dude. To the last fucking thing. No, that's not fair. No. There. I give you beautiful tackle power. What you do? How did you? Oh, that's sadness. What happened? Oh man, that little mouse came onto the keyboard right there. It's an old spazzy one. And it's where like maybe 2 as you can see. So there's multiple bases like there in time. There's a gate here. The gate is. Where are you found? Okay, let's go. We're nearly there. We can make it. Okay. Oh, guys, we gotta open up. There.
I don't know if you know, but.
Anyways, there's only having no one.
Oh, it's not too.
Yeah, what's the gimmick? You stand up and roll it?
It says.
You're rolling down. Oh wow, it is. I think I've done something. Go.
It's very nice.
Well, I only do as you can see. I'm just rolling.
Very hard.
That was easy. You only have to right there. Oh, good job. I'm left game. As you can see, 20 wins to level up. If I get to 24, I have to go bottom right here. There's a daily mission that gives you money. I'm going to give you any buffs for pets. Run, or flip. Damn. Okay. There's an emerald here. Oh. Come on. There's this emerald. It's really annoying because you don't know where it is. Okay. GG that guy. I was just doing my thing. You just leave lucky there. Or pure luck. I mean, I think I've only won once on that one. You click a certain amount of times on your little cubic through your paint, if it's multiple winners, you only won. The first one to do that wins. Okay, let me just an angle right here. There we go. Yellow. Quickly get, quick roll. Cut. Blue. Alright. Flip. Let's do that again. Boom! Just did. So let me just adjust my angle. Go.
I think I can do it. I'm just
Shift.
doesn't look like
Because it's
I have to hold you for the move it.
Oh, they can. Well, I don't know how to tell it. I'm done. That's something. So, object, it's gotta be. I say that's what. Fall back. Flip. Okay, literally just like, just kept running. Nice. Oh no. Finish. Look at this run. Hey, look at me. I'm just like cranking to fire. Oh, I was trying to skill myself. That's what that win proves. Oh, okay, not you. You.
Also, let me jump.
Yep, hey guys, you make a. Bye. And.